Hi, welcome to Simply Narelle. Today's a bit of a different video because I have a haul video. Something I didn't think I would have for a long time because I'm trying not to spend anything. But the family went out op shopping, which is like your charity shops here in Australia. We call them op shops, op shops for opportunity shops. And as I was looking around the various shops, I came across a few crafting things. So I thought, well, they're really cheap. I'm going to grab them. So what did I get? Well, I got these metal frames, $3 Australian, which is probably, I don't know, $1.60 US. So they're handy. Put them on a layout. And then I think these are Jolie's, but they don't have the original packaging. And they are summer themed, so that's really cool. Always doing summer things because I live in a warm climate, so they will come in handy. And then graduation ones, because I have not scrapped my graduation photos yet from when I graduated in 1989, so probably time I did that, hey. So I saw them, went, well, that's pretty handy, I could use them. And then more barbecue summer type themed Jolies. So these are always handy. And there's a rogue little W stuck on there. So barbecue, watermelon, picnic table, sauce bottles. They're really cool. Another metal frame. And I think that purple one is just the packaging, but it's just a metal frame. I haven't opened any of this, but it doesn't matter if the adhesive on the back is no good because I just use glue anyway. A packet of Kaiser Craft papers, which I haven't opened yet, so let's hope they're not all half sheets or whatever. But it's called Base Coat Release 3, and I haven't seen these before, but I love a wood grain paper. So, well, that's promising. The back sheet, sorry about the crinkle. The back sticker sheet hasn't been used, so that's promising. What do we got? We have, oh, look at that. Oh, wow. That is nice. Another wood grain. Oh, that's tree bark. Wow, that is cool. Two of these. Some of these may have been used, like there may not be two of each, but that doesn't matter. Cracked dirt, that is so Outback Australia. And that just looks like a sand, it says. That's what it looks like too, sand. Two of them. And what is this? It looks like, you need to get that cardboard boxes. It has the corrugation in the middle. That's what that looks like. And that's the other side of it. So cardboard, that's what it's called. And that's what it is. Two of them. And another fantastic wood grain. Shabby Chic is what that one's called. And another different one which looks like burlap on the bottom, but that says stained. I really like that one. So pretty. It's got like a burlap trim on the strip. Two of them, and then another lovely wood grain, and that one so pretty hardwood. So I don't know, was there two of each one? Doesn't really matter, but for $5, that's how much it was. You can't go wrong. Oh, and then on the back we have the sticker sheet of alphas, two different alphas, and lots of these border strips, a couple of tabs and tabs along there. Bonus, that was a cool find. $5 Australian, so I don't know, what is that, $3 US, something like that. That was really cool. And then the other thing was this big bundle of alpha stickers for $3. Haven't even opened them. And again, if the glue's no good, it doesn't matter, because if they're not sticky, then I just use glue anyway. And goodness. Wait, I need scissors. Can't get into that one. Okay, so what do we got? In a big plastic bag. Alright, so black foam stickers. Some have been used, but that's okay. Yeah, hardly any stick, but that doesn't matter. 2 of them. And what's on the back there? Oh, there's foam squares in here. Oh, that are sticking to the back anyway. Alright, so foam squares, a few stuck on there. And another 3 sheets of foam other long bits. That's handy, even if it doesn't stick. Like I said, use glue. So, and what is that? That's a piece of acrylic. I have no idea what I would do with that. But anyway, that was in there. White alphas haven't even been used. Oh, they're numbers, sorry. And alphas and another bit of the foam squares. And then 2 more alphas. That's really cool. Bonus for $3. I'll take them. Alright, so that was my tiny little haul. So the only haul I'll probably have for a little while. Unless I need to buy more page protectors or something. And then of course they can't travel alone in a packet. So I'll have to get something with them. But anyway, that's my haul for today. Thanks for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye.